what is a Power BI? Power BI is a contemporary BI tool, as I said. It is owned by Microsoft, so it's Microsoft Power BI. The Power BI desktop, which we are going to use as a development platform, is absolutely free. So this platform is intelligent enough and user friendly enough so that a non-technical user, a non-technical business user can also do their analysis and visualization and share the data with others. So that's why it is being highly preferred in the current market, that it is free, number one point, and the second is it is easy enough. You don't need to write a lot of code or you know any technical prerequisites knowledge is needed. So even if a non-technical user like you know BA business analyst or like a your account professional like HR professional, they can also deal with Power BI with some limited knowledge on the data. Then next, this is one of the another USP or unique selling point of Power BI is it connects to hundreds of data sources. There is absolutely no limitation. So Power BI can connect to hundreds of data source and on which you can prepare the data, do the sampling and create the visualization based on those type of data. So the list of the data sources available in the market which Power BI can connect, I have listed that in this link. Okay, so you can go through it, and the product, it's produced beautiful report, then publish them to your organizations to consume on the web and across the mobile. So Power BI has a cloud deployment platform as well as an enterprise version of deployment platform. After you create the beautiful reports, you can create the reports by using Power BI desktop, and you can deploy the reports for the availability of the end user to Power BI service, which is a cloud-based server, or Power BI on-premises server, and then the dashboard can also be accessed through web-based browser at the end user end, or end user can also access the dashboard through the mobile device. If they have the server details, they can access to your Power BI dashboard through Power BI mobile app as well.